Getting our nets ready. Gonna head off to Timaru, and have a drag, see if we can slay out some patikis, flounders. Fingers crossed, we crack it finally. Beautiful afternoon. Random ass to see Uncle Stu. Yeah. Timaru today, find out. I'll come out with you, Pete. Let's go. Are we gonna get anything in the first drag? Drop a comment below. Will we get anything in the first drag? And if we do, what will it be? The water is makariri. But the pita reckons we got something. Do I see one there? And a crab. Some flounder, one crab so far. One crab. Not the biggest, but it's a koi. And one patiki. You got that, Pete? You got that? Might have got out, eh? Ah, nah. 2. 3. And a crab. And 2 crabs. You're a little bit small. I think we'll let this guy go. Beauty afternoon. 13 flounders, 1 crab under there somewhere. Yeah. How many? Dropping off Uncle Stuart kite. Fresh as.
We'll give it to him still alive.
Deliveries. 1 little crab in there.
You want the crab too?
Oh yeah? Yeah. Thank you.
Choice. Yeah.
These are all the patikis we brought home for now. 3 for the kitchen kite, 2 for Brother Rowley, 2 for Brother Pete, 2 for Uncle Willie, 2 for Uncle Stewie, and 2 for the old lady and the old man. First patiki. While that butter is sizzling, get this big guy ready. Quickly deal to the second one and out. Onions in the bottom, then our flounder. Onions on the top. Seki. 10 more minutes. Well, that is the remains of the fried flounder. Now we're about to tuck into the baked flounder. Yeah.
Still running.
Some homemade pies too.
Real inspiration without the
Daisy.
Try trying a coconut cream, sweet sauces, and oodles of oodles. That's flavour. Wow, crazy good, crazy good.
On TV, 75 inches and above, like this LG 75 inch unit with mini LED TV. Save 20% on selected Miele washing machines and dryers, like this Miele 7 kg washing machine and dryer. And the Lotus Magnifica 4-pack coffee machine, just $7.99. This price is guaranteed. 69 birthday sale, final days.
Thank you, Tangaro.